parents and students. Hope you and your family are safe and healthy. We are all facing a truly unprecedented situation now. Like all the sectors, educational sector has also affected by this pandemic crisis. COVID-19 has resulted all the schools shut across the world. As a result, the education has changed dramatically with distinctive rise of e-learning. Though it is not a new feature for the Oxford teachers and the students, our motto is nothing should retard our kids' learning. In fact, it is an opportunity and a challenge to bring out the best and to adapt and overcome any worst case scenario. So at this time, we had expanded our Educore Online classroom with our exceptional trained faculties and a state-of-art technology through our official smart classroom application, Educore.
Educore is a cloud-based, intelligent learning management solution designed in partnership with Google for Education. It offers some amazing tools. It provides a platform for teachers, students to work together for teaching and learning process. It provides simple tools for parents to involve in child's education in real time. Educore Web needs you to have the latest Google Chrome browser to work properly. Let's see quickly how a student can access the tools in Educore. Open Google Chrome and type in oxford.educore.guru. Log in with the credentials given from the school. You will be greeted with the dashboard. Menu is located on the topmost left corner of the dashboard. In the menu, you can access the digital library, courseware, and a whole lot of other tools. In digital library, you can access all digital contents in the form of text, PDF, videos, and YouTube links, which are arranged as per subjects and chapters of the textbooks. Let's go back to the main menu. Here, we can access the courseware, which will display all the subjects taught in the classroom. In the subjects page, you can see a blue button to launch Google Classroom. Once you click the button, you will be taken to the Google Classroom. In the Google Classroom, you can see 4 tabs on the top, which are Stream, Classwork, People, and Grade. Stream, discussion board of the class. Here, the teacher will be discussing things with the whole classroom. Students can communicate with the teacher, adding comment to what teacher posts. In classwork, you can see topics arranged by the teacher and assignments assigned to the students. You can also see a link to the class drive folder where contents kept by the teacher can be accessed. More training on this will be given by the teacher once the classroom starts. The student can access the assignments, quizzes, or materials shared by the teacher in the classwork tab.
Educore for the students to have a live and interactive classroom section, and Educare for the parents to have communication and to know the daily happenings of the school. You can take a look at details about the functioning of futuristic and highly productive application. Hope you will find it a wonderful experience. And we always value your queries, your ideas, and your feedback. Thank you.